Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Features also include keyless ignition, premium sound system, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2016 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, FWD, mirror memory, security system, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.